and warm welcome to the day one of Sleep Better with Hypnosis. First of all, I congratulate you for taking the initiative to care for yourself. Sleep is an essential function and plays a vital role in good health and well being throughout your life. Getting enough sleep at the right times, that is specifically at the night, can help protect your mental health, physical health, quality of life, and also the safety. See, the way you feel you are awake depends in part on what happens while you were sleeping. During sleep, your body is working to support healthy brain function and maintain your physical health. And in children and teens, it also supports the growth and development. So sleep, having a good sleep at night specifically is very important. The damage from sleep deficiency can occur in an instant, such as, see, you're feeling sleepy and you are not able to concentrate while driving, so it might result into a car crash, or it can harm you over time. So you might not see any harm immediately, but over a period it is damaging some part of your brain, and then you are facing few health issues, or you are not able to think well, react well, or it is hampering your work, the learning abilities, and the way you are getting with others. So everything can be hampered with the slow damage due to the sleep disorder also. Studies show that good night sleep helps you to improve learning, pay attention, make decisions, and be creative. And studies also show that sleep hypnosis alters activity in some part of your brain. If you are sleep deficient, that means you cannot sleep well, you may have trouble making in your decisions, probably for the problem solving, controlling your emotions and behavior, and also coping up with the change, which is very required. Sleep deficiency also has been linked to depression, suicide, and at times the risk-taking behaviors. So do not allow anything related to sleep disorder to go to such an extent. It's always better to take care of yourself when you have time and you can look after the things when they are in your control. If you are not able to sleep well, believe me, you are not the only individual in this earth who is facing this problem. Why? Because the study reveals that every third individual in the crowd has this problem. So many people might not be feeling that they have this problem, but the thing is, people face problems in sound for the sound sleep, and this is the increasing and alarming problem, specifically considering the today's lifestyle. However, the good news is we can work on this, and I can help you to get the better sleep, and this works in most of the cases, unless it is a case where you actually require a licensed therapist, or you actually require the support from doctor. If you have not reached to that stage, and I believe that you can still work on your this sleep disorder problem, I can help you. Just follow the instructions for the coming days, and probably I can help you to get the better sleep. Sleep deficiency is a condition that occurs if you don't get enough sleep. It is a broader concept, like it occurs if you have one or more of the problems, like if you do not get enough sleep, that is, you do not have the time for the sleep, you have to sleep late in the night, and because of your duties, probably the domestic or professional duties, you have to get up early in the morning, so you do not have the time for the sleep. The second thing could be you sleep at the wrong times of the day. So if your body clock is not in a sync, if you sleep for longer hours during the day, probably you might not feel sleepy at night. But night sleep is important for your overall well-being. If you don't sleep well or get all of the different types of sleep that your body needs, that means you go to sleep, for people it looks like you're sleeping, however your sleep is not very sound, so that is not helping you to feel refreshed. And also you have a sleep disorder that prevents you from getting enough sleep or causes poor quality sleep. So for this problem you work on yourself first, you try to help yourself to get the better sleep, and if nothing works then it's a better thing to see a doctor and discuss your problems with a physician. Right. Now, let's understand the science behind sleep. What exactly you mean by sound sleep? Most adults requires sleep between 7 to 9 hours of night. Children and teenagers need substantially more sleep, particularly if they are younger than 5 years of age, because that is crucial for their mental, psychological, as well as physical well-being. An internal body clock regulates your sleep cycle. So if you want to know about your internal body clock, I am attaching a separate documents for today's session. Please go through that document and you will get the details of what is internal body clock and how it works. This internal body clock controls when you feel tired and ready for the bed or refreshed, and when you have to be alert. This clock operates on a 24-hour cycle known as circadian rhythm. Now, what are the stages of sleep? So usually the sleep is divided into four stages. The first is non-rapid eye movement sleep, and the final stage is rapid eye movement, that is REM. So the first four stages are the stages of non-rapid eye movement. The first stage of NREM, we feel that this is a light sleep where we are into the transition from the awake or wakefulness stage to the sleep. That is, we are going to sleep. We are trying to sleep. Muscles relax, your heart rate, breathing, eye movements begin to slow down, as do your brain waves. They also begin to slow down, which are more active when you are awake. So stage 1 typically lasts for several minutes, then starts stage 2 in NREM. This is characterized by deeper sleep as your heart rate and breathing rates continue slowing down and the muscles become more relaxed. Eye movements will cease and your body temperature will decrease. Apart from some brief movements of higher frequency electrical activity, brain waves also remain slow, and this stage 2 typically longest of the four sleep stages. So in this your all body activities are relaxed and you are into the stage of sleep where your body will feel that you are getting relaxed. Now the stage 3 of NREM begins after this. This stage plays a very important role in making you feel refreshed and alert for the next day. Heartbeat, breathing, and the brainwave activity all reach their lowest levels. So here you are completely relaxed. Muscles are as relaxed as they can be. This stage will be longer at first and decreases in duration throughout the night. So you will go from first stage to second stage to stage 3 of NREM. Now after this starts the rapid eye movement stage, that is REM. The first REM stage will occur about 90 minutes after you fall asleep. As the name suggests, your eyes will move back and forth rather quickly under your eyelids. So you might also see the eye movement, the movement of the eyeballs of a person who is sleeping. So the person is in the REM sleep stage, and that is why you can see the eye movements also at times. Now, breathing rate, heart rate, and blood pressure will begin to increase in this stage. Dreaming will typically occur during REM sleep, and your arms and legs will become paralyzed to keep your activities controlled, because if the body is not paralyzed, you might react to your dreams, right? So this is a stage where you are You can have dreams, however your body will not react to your dreams. Numerous studies have also linked to REM sleep to memory consolidation, the process of converting recently learned experiences into long-term memories. The duration of the REM stage will decrease as you age, causing you to spend more time in the non-REM stages. So these are the four stages, and these will repeat cyclically throughout the night until you wake up. And REM sleep constitutes about 75% to 80% of each cycle. You may also wake up briefly during the night, but you might not remember it the next day. Now, how much sleep time exactly you require? So I have provided the table in the written document. You can refer to it. However, for an adult, young adult who is between 18 to 25 years of age, 7 to 9 hours of sound sleep is required. And for an adult who is between the age group of 26 to 64, again 7 to 9 hours of sleep is required. And for the older adults, that means beyond 65 years of age, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is also sufficient. So for most of the adults, at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep is important for every night, and this will help you to have your cognitive and behavioral functions properly. People can develop a sort of tolerance to chronic sleep deprivation. Even though their brains and bodies struggle due to lack of sleep, they may not be aware of their own deficiencies because less sleep feels normal to them. They feel that it's okay, I can manage even if I'm not sleeping for 7 to 9 hours. I can lead to the healthy lifestyle. Now, friends, this is possible if you are using certain psychotherapy, if you are using certain tools which is actually giving you the power at times. Using the tool like hypnotherapy, you can have the relaxation of 8 hours sleep in the sleep of just 4 to 5 hours. So that is possible, and we will be discussing these techniques in the coming sessions. Thank you so much.